Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many dream of, retiring early. Imagine waking up without an alarm clock, spending your days doing what you love, and having the freedom to travel whenever you want. Early retirement isn't just a fantasy, it's a goal that many people are actively working towards. If you want to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and enjoy life on your own terms, you're in the right place. We'll explore the steps you need to take, the financial strategies to employ, and the lifestyle changes that can make early retirement a reality. Let's get started. First, let's define what early retirement means. Early retirement is a concept that varies greatly from person to person. It generally refers to the act of leaving the workforce before the traditional retirement age, which is typically around 65. However, the age at which one chooses to retire early can differ based on individual goals, financial situations, and personal aspirations. For some, it's leaving the workforce in their 40s or 50s, allowing them to enjoy more years of leisure and personal pursuits. This might involve traveling the world, spending more time with family, or pursuing hobbies and passions that were previously sidelined due to work commitments. While for others, it might mean achieving financial independence as soon as possible. Financial independence is the point at which you have enough savings, investments, and passive income to cover your living expenses without needing to work. This can be achieved through diligent saving, smart investing, and careful financial planning. The key is to figure out what early means for you. This involves assessing your financial situation, setting clear goals, and creating a plan to achieve them. Whether your aim is to retire at 45 or 55, the most important thing is to ensure that your retirement plan aligns with your personal values and lifestyle aspirations. Step 1 is to assess your current financial situation. Calculate your net worth, track your income and expenses, and understand your spending habits. Knowing where you stand is crucial to planning your path to early retirement. Next, create a realistic retirement budget. Consider how much you'll need annually to live comfortably. Don't forget to factor in healthcare, travel, and unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 25 times your annual expenses for a comfortable retirement. To retire early, you'll need to save aggressively. Start by cutting unnecessary expenses. Cook at home, cancel unused subscriptions, and shop smarter. Every dollar saved can go towards your retirement fund. Consider increasing your income through side hustles or freelance work. Explore passive income opportunities like investing in real estate or stocks. The more you earn, the faster you can reach your retirement goals. Investing is key to growing your wealth. Look into options like index funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts. The earlier you start investing, the more compound interest will work in your favor. Before you make any big moves, build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses. This safety net will protect you against unexpected financial setbacks. Finally, stay disciplined and be willing to adjust your plan as needed. Regularly review your financial goals and make changes if you're not on track. Remember, the journey to early retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. Retiring early is possible with the right planning and commitment. It's not just a dream, but a reality that many have achieved. By taking small, consistent steps, you can build a secure financial future. Start today and take control of your financial future. Begin by setting clear, achievable goals. Track your spending, save diligently, and invest wisely. Consider exploring side hustles or passive income streams to boost your savings. Every little bit helps and can significantly impact your retirement timeline. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on financial freedom. We regularly share insights and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. The key to early retirement is having time freedom. Before we wrap up, let's explore some real-life examples of people who have successfully retired early. Their stories can provide valuable insights and inspiration for your own journey. Take Jane, for instance. She started investing in her early 20s and focused on maximizing her 401k contributions. By the time she reached 45, she had accumulated a substantial nest egg and was able to retire comfortably. Jane's disciplined approach to saving and investing is a testament to the power of long-term financial planning. Then there's Mike, who took a different route. He focused on building multiple streams of passive income through real estate investments. By purchasing rental properties and managing them efficiently, Mike was able to replace his 9-to-5 income and retire at 50. His story highlights the importance of diversifying income sources and making smart investment choices. Finally, let's talk about Sarah and Tom, a couple who embraced frugality and minimalism. They made conscious efforts to cut down on unnecessary expenses and focused on saving aggressively. By living below their means and investing wisely, they were able to retire in their early 40s. Their journey shows that with the right mindset and lifestyle adjustments, early retirement is achievable for anyone. These stories are just a few examples of what's possible. We hope these success stories inspire you to take actionable steps towards your own early retirement. Now, let's discuss the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle in retirement. Staying active and healthy can help you enjoy your retirement to the fullest. First, consider incorporating regular physical activity into your daily routine. Whether it's taking a morning walk, joining a fitness class, or practicing yoga, staying active can improve your overall well-being and keep you energized. Exercise not only boosts your physical health, but also has a positive impact on your mental health, reducing stress and anxiety. Next, focus on maintaining a balanced diet. Eating nutritious meals that include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide the essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Avoiding processed foods and sugary drinks can also help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Don't forget the importance of social connections. Engaging in social activities, volunteering, or joining clubs can help you stay connected with others and avoid feelings of isolation. Strong social ties have been linked to better mental and emotional health, which is crucial for enjoying a fulfilling retirement. Lastly, make sure to schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Preventive care and early detection of potential health issues can help you manage your health more effectively and enjoy a longer, healthier retirement. By prioritizing your health and well-being, you can make the most of your retirement years and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is the foundation for a happy and fulfilling retirement. Another key aspect of early retirement is staying socially connected. Building and maintaining relationships can greatly enhance your quality of life in retirement. Firstly, make an effort to reconnect with old friends and family members. Use social media or community events to reach out and rekindle those relationships. Having a strong support network can provide emotional comfort and a sense of belonging. Secondly, consider joining clubs or groups that align with your interests. Whether it's a book club, gardening group, or a local sports team, engaging with like-minded individuals can be both fulfilling and enjoyable. These activities not only keep you socially active, but also provide opportunities to learn new skills and hobbies. Volunteering is another excellent way to stay connected. Offering your time and skills to local charities or community projects can give you a sense of purpose and contribute positively to society. Plus, it's a great way to meet new people who share your passion for giving back. Don't underestimate the power of technology in maintaining social connections. Video calls, social media, and online communities can help you stay in touch with loved ones and make new friends, even if they're miles away. Lastly, make it a habit to attend community events and gatherings. Whether it's a local festival, farmers market, or neighborhood meeting, these events provide perfect opportunities to meet new people and strengthen existing relationships. By prioritizing social connections, you can create a rich, fulfilling retirement experience that goes beyond financial security. Remember, a well-rounded retirement includes not just financial stability, but also emotional and social well-being. Finally, let's talk about the importance of continuous learning and personal growth. Retirement is a great time to pursue new hobbies, learn new skills, and keep your mind sharp. Firstly, consider taking up new hobbies or rekindling old ones. Whether it's painting, writing, cooking, or any other passion you've always wanted to explore, now is the perfect time. Engaging in creative activities can be immensely fulfilling and provide a sense of accomplishment. Next, think about learning new skills. Many community colleges and online platforms offer courses tailored for retirees. You could learn a new language, delve into history, or even master the latest technology. Lifelong learning keeps your brain active and can open up new opportunities for personal and social growth. Reading is another excellent way to keep your mind engaged. Whether you prefer fiction, nonfiction, or even audiobooks, reading can transport you to different worlds, broaden your horizons, and stimulate your imagination. Don't overlook the benefits of physical activity. Consider learning a new sport or joining fitness classes. Activities like yoga, tai chi, or even dancing can be both enjoyable and beneficial for your physical and mental health. Additionally, consider volunteering as a form of personal growth. Teaching others, sharing your expertise, or simply helping out in the community can be incredibly rewarding and provide a sense of purpose. Lastly, stay curious and open-minded. Attend workshops, seminars, and community talks. Explore museums, galleries, and cultural events. Keeping an inquisitive mindset will continually enrich your retirement experience. By embracing continuous learning and personal growth, you can make your retirement years not only enjoyable, but also intellectually and emotionally fulfilling. Remember, retirement is not the end. It's a new beginning filled with endless possibilities for growth and discovery. Remember, everyone's path to early retirement is unique, but the principles of saving, investing, and financial discipline remain universal. See you in the next video.